Live from the campus of Washington and Lee University, this is a Channel 18 Rockbridge News Update.
Welcome to the Rockbridge Report Live News Update. I'm Kinsey Grant. Severe storms swept through parts of the southeast Monday. The storms have already resulted in 2 deaths, one in Arkansas and the other in Alabama. A Dora, Alabama woman was killed when a large oak tree fell on her mobile home. Police say 75-year-old Shirley Hicks was sitting on her daybed when the tree fell on top of her. Her husband was hit on the head when part of the roof fell in, but was not taken to the hospital. 8 southeastern states are also at risk of severe weather today. The National Weather Service says there's a chance of severe thunderstorms from the Florida Panhandle up to West Virginia. Rockbridge County is under a flash flood watch until 6 a.m. Wednesday. And federal health officials are re-examining protocols for handling Ebola patients after a Dallas nurse contracted the disease. The nurse cared for Thomas Eric Duncan, the Liberian man who died last week from Ebola. The head of the CDC says everyone needs to work together to reduce the risk of infection.
We confirmed the first case of Ebola contracted in the United States in a healthcare worker who cared for who we refer to as the index patient in Dallas, Texas.
It's still unclear how the nurse contracted the virus. CDC officials are looking into how she removed the protective gear after contact with Duncan. Vendors from the Shenandoah Valley came together in Buena Vista for the Mountain Day Festival last Saturday. The festival is an annual celebration of the culture, traditions, history, and natural beauty of the area. Traditional lost arts were showcased, along with live music and entertainment, a local history exhibit, antique farm machinery, and children's activities. Despite the rain, both locals and tourists attended the annual festival. All proceeds support community improvement and revitalization efforts. Rockbridge County High School's Interact Club has set up a Cinderella project for girls to get dresses for this Saturday's homecoming dance. The club is doing something different from previous years to help more girls find the dress they need.
We have rented the dresses for between $10 and $20 depending on whether they're new or slightly used. This year I decided that we were done with renting. Kaput, we are just giving them away, and this is the year we have been most successful.
The club collected 20 to 25 dresses for the Cinderella project and has donated 6 to girls in need. That's all for today's Rockbridge Report Live Update. Be sure to tune in to the next edition of the Rockbridge Report on October 23rd. Thanks for staying updated. Have a great afternoon.